friends, today you will read the chapter Multiplications of Fraction. Multiplication of fraction. The rule is given: product of fraction is equal to product of their numerator by product of their denominator. See here, thus a by b into c by d. Here a by b is a fraction and c by d is another fraction. So numerator into numerator, a into c, and denominator into denominator, so b into d. Product of their numerator is divided by, here product of fraction is equal to product of their numerator by product of their denominator, and this one the product of their denominator. Find the product. Example 1, find the product 3 by 8 into 3 by 4. The simplification, here 5 and 3 both are the numerator, so 3 5 ja 15, so 15 by 8 4 ja 32. When you multiplied it, and you will get the answer of it. In question number 2, 3 by, in the next questions, 9 by 16 into 8 by 16. This one divisible, so 16 will divided by 8 in 2 times, and 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15. So rest part on the place of numerator is 3 and the denominator is 2 5 ja 10. So 3 by 10. Again 5 by 12, also it will be divisible by 3. So common divisor is 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. So 3 5 ja 15. The answer is 15 by 4. This one the improper fractions, where the improper fraction is here, this one and this one both are the improper fraction. So you will write it 1 whole 7 by 8 for this answer, and here 4 3 ja 12, so 3 whole 3 by 4. These are the simplifications of the given question. See the answer, the simplification is here. So numerator will be multiplied by numerator, product of numerator is 15 and product of denominator is 32. Here also 15 by 8. So it is the improper fraction, so it will this improper fraction will change into mixed fraction. Example number 2, multiply. Here we have to multiply 7 whole 5 by 9 by 3 by 2. This mixed fractions will change into improper fraction. 7 9 ja 63 plus 5 68, 68 by 9 into 3 by 2. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 from 2 3s are and 2 4s are. This one simplified it here, and after this simplification only 34 by 3 is left here. 34 by 3 is improper fraction, so here we have to divide it. 34 is divided by 3, we get 11 whole 1 by 3. 34 by 3 will be changed into improper mixed fraction, and this one the answer. Hence all questions have solved by the same process. Here in example number 3, both questions in mixed fraction, so change into in improper fractions, then simplify it and you will get the answer. Example number 3, simplify 14 by 25 into 35 by 51 into 34 by 49. We have, the question is here, we have 14 by 25 into 35 by 51 into 34 by 49 is equal to 14 and 49 both will be divisible by 7. So 7 2 ja and 7 7 are. Again 28, 35, 34. So with the simplify, we will simplify it here. 14 by 25 into 35 by 51 into 34 by 49. In table 17, 17 2 ja 34 and 17 3 ja 51. In table 5, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 7 are. In table 7, 7 7 are 49 and here 7 2s are 14. Left the answer is 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. Here you will see 4 by 15, the simplification. In question number 4, the simplification is the same. The given mixed fraction will change into improper fraction, and after that you have to simplify it. Use of. Here the meaning of is multiplications. We define a by b of c is equal to c into a by b. Find 2 by 5 of 40. So 2 by 5 of 40 is equal to 2 by 5 of 40. 2 by 5 of 40 by 1 is equal to 40 by 1 into 2 by 5, and 5 8s are, so 8 into 2 60. So this one the simplification of it. Again 5 by 9 of 48. 5 by 9 of 48 is equal to 5 by 9 of 48 by 1. So 48 by 1 into 5 by 9. So 48 and 9, the common divisor is 3. 3 3s are and 16 3s are 48. So 16 into 5 80 and left here 3. So 80 by 3. This one the improper fraction change into mixed fraction. So 26 whole 2 by 3. This one the answer of it. Find. In example number 6, find 1 by 5 of a rupee. A rupee it means 100 paise. So 1 by 5 of a rupee is equal to 1 by 5 of 100 paise. So 25s are 25s are, and this one the 20. 21 are 20. So the answer of 1 by 5 of a rupees is 20 paise. In question number 2, 2 by 3 of an year. An year it means 12 months. Here the so 12 into 2 by 3, 3 4s are and 4 2s are 8. The answer is 8 months. 5 by 8 of a day. A day is equal to 24 hours. So 24 hours, 24 into 5 by 8. 8 3s are, 3 5s are 15. So here the 15 hours. 7 by 8 of a kilogram. A kilogram it means 1000 gram. So 7 by 8 of a 1000 gram. So 1000 into 7 by 8. 1000 will be divided by 8. We get 125. So 125 into 7 is equal to 875 gram. In next question, 11 by 25 of a liter. So again in a liter it means 1000 milliliter. It will be changed 11 by 25 of a 1000 milliliter. It will be divided by 40. 25 40s are 1000. So 40 into 11, 440 milliliter. And in last example, 4 by 5 of an hour. An hour it means 60 minutes. So 60 into 4 by 5, 12 5 just 60. So 12 into 4 is equal to 48 minutes. All questions are very simple, and don't forget to revise the given example. This one the hints as well as to know the method how do you solve in your fair copy. So don't forget it. Example number 7. Milk is sold at rupees 16 whole 3 by 4 per liter. Find the cost of 6 whole 2 by 5 liters of a milk. Solution. Cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to rupees 16 whole 3 by 4. So 16 whole 3 by 4 will change into improper fraction 67 by 4. Cost of 6 whole 2 by 5 liters of milk is equal to 67 by 4 into 6 5 ja 30 in plus 2 32, so 32 by 5, and when we simplified it 4 8s are 32, so 67 into 8 multiplied it here, and the product of 67 into 8 is equal to 536, 536 by 5, this one the improper fraction change into mixed fraction, and this mixed fraction is the answer. Hence the cost of 6 whole 2 by 5 liters of a milk is 107 rupees 107 whole 1 by 5. Thus you will solve all questions. The problem, the word problem have the solutions is given. So in your exercise the word problem has required such type of solutions, then you will get a full marks. Example number 8. Sajal can walk 2 whole 2 by 5 kilometer in an hour. An hour. Sajal can walk 2 whole 2 by 5 kilometer. How much distance will he covers in 3 whole 1 by 3 hours? In an hour the covered distance is given, and when you multiplied it by 3 whole 1 by 3, so you will get the answer. Solutions distance covered by Sajal in 1 hour is equal to 2 whole 2 by 5 kilometer, means 12 by 5 kilometer. This mixed fraction will change into improper fraction. Distance covered by Sajal in 3 whole 1 by 3 hours, so 3 3 is 9 1 10, so 12 by 5 into 10 by 3 kilometer, 3 4s are and 5 2s are, so 4 into 2 is equal to 8 kilometer. This one the answer. Hence the distance covered by Sajal in 1 hour is 8 kilometer. Example number 9. A cartoon contains 16 boxes of nails. A cartoon contains 16 boxes of nails and each box weighs 4 whole 3 by 4 kg. How much would a cartoon of nails weigh? Each box, here each box given, the quantity is here, and required answer is 16 boxes. So when you multiplied it 4 whole 3 by 4 kg into 16, you will get the answer. Now see the solutions. Weight of one box is equal to 4 whole 3 by 4 kg. So 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19 by 4 kg. Weight of 16 boxes is equal to 19 by 4 into 16. 4 4s are, so the 19 4s are, the product of numerator is 76, so this one the answer of it. So hence the weight of a cartoon is 76 kg. This one the answer. In example number 10, a book consists of 216 pages during last week. Vikas read 3 by 4 of the book. How many pages did he read? Total number of pages in the book 216. Number of pages read 3 by 4 of 216. 3 by 4 of 216, when 4 5 ja and 4 6 ja, so 54 into 3, it means 162. The product of 54 and 3 is 162. So hence Vikas read 162 pages during last week. In example number 11, a tin contains 18 kg ghee. After consuming 2 by 3 of it, how much ghee is left in the tin? Solution. Total quantity of ghee in the tin is equal to 18 kg. Quantity of ghee consumed 2 by 3 of 18 kg. 3 6 are 6 2 are 12. So the 12 kg is the answer. Quantity of ghee left in the tin is equal to 18 minus 12. 12 kg is consumed ghee and 18 minus 12, 18 kg is the total quantity and minus consumed ghee, so rest is the answer. So the answer is 6 kg. In example number 12, Renu spends 4 by 5 of her income on household expenses. Her monthly income is rupees 30,000. How much does she save every month? Solution. Total monthly income is 30,000. Monthly expenditure is 4 by 5, 4 by 5th of 30,000. So 30,000 of 4 by 5th is equal to 24,000. Once again, saving, monthly saving is equal to total income minus expenditure. 30,000 minus 24,000 is equal to 6,000, and this one the saving amount. Thus, this chapter is completed. The in your book multiplications of fractions, the in this chapter the next exercise totally depends on the same pattern, and all questions will be solved by this rule, and you have to solve at first all examples, then do the exercise. Hope you will do so. Have a nice day.